Let me walk you through the steps of doing a record import into Papertrail. There are a few rules that you'll need to follow. You will need to fill in the folder, the record name, the frequency, and the current state. The rest of the fields are for you to fill out your record information. You can fill in as little or as much information as you want. So you can see that I have all my equipment in the spreadsheet. Inputting a folder name here automatically moves those records into that folder during the import. So you can see that I've created demo folder. I'm going to drag this down to the records that I want to be in that folder. If I want to add a subfolder within demo records, I need to add a /. So you can see that I have demo folder / job 1. And this could be with any folder name that you use. So I just copy this down to the rest of the records. And again, this is if I want to add another subfolder to this list, I would just add another /. You will then need to enter the inspection frequency for each record. These are the options you can pick from. If you have your own frequency, this is where you can add this in now, and I will show you in another video where you can create this in Papertrail. The final mandatory column is the current state. So each record needs a state before it goes into Papertrail. Mine are currently set safe for use. Any dates you have need to have a certain date format. So I'll first go to Format, Numbers, and then select Year, Month, Date. And fill out all the rest of the fields with your information. Once you've finished with your sheet, you'll need to export it. So go to Export and make sure you do this as a CSV. Once you've exported your document and created those folders within your account, you're ready to upload. You'll need to go to Settings and then click on Import Records. If you click on Get Started, this is where you'll be able to drag and drop your new CSV file into Papertrail. Once you've done that, click Next. You may need to match the fields that are on the account to what's on the spreadsheet. You do this by selecting and then finding the relevant ones. You can see me doing it here. Once done, click Next. You may find that you're getting some errors within the upload. This might be that the folder names don't exactly match or the wrong format and date. So you can just double check your folder names, or if you double click on the error, you can pick the folder from here. This may happen with state as well, so it might just be worth checking the states that you have in your account, or again, going through the list that we have and selecting it from here. Once you're getting no more error codes, you need to click Validate. This just refreshes the upload and then it makes sure everything is okay to go into Papertrail. Once the records are validated, you'll be able to submit the equipment into Papertrail. Click the Submit button and then you'll get a pop-up to say that this is happening. So let's go and find those records within the account. Go to Folders and click on the new folders that you created, and you should see all your records imported within those folders. Thanks for watching and see you soon.